Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, integrated campus, Hyderabad. Estimation, quantity surveying, and valuation. I'm Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. Earthwork for roads and canals. This unit, I explained in previous video what is a canal, what is a road, how to build a road, how to construct a canal. So what is the, generally what is shape is a trapezium shape. Okay. And what is lead and lift? There are important terms, lead and lift. If it is more than 30 meters, normal lift, and every 30 meters you have to add extra rate. Height is 1.5 meter. Depth or height is 1.5 meter to lift the earth soil from the construction place. See here, how to calculate this banking or this area. Okay. Now I explain this width of B. This is ratio, slope ratio. S is to 1. Always it is 1. So this is so that the distance from here to here to S small d. This is depth. Okay. Now the total area of this is this one. Okay. And plus here you will have from this triangle area. Okay, this triangle area, right? Plus this triangle area. How to calculate triangle area is 1 by 2 base into height. You know, this is basic triangle formula. That's why I told you this is only simple mathematical applications. Okay, see here, to calculate this area, 1 by 2 base into height. This is S D and height is D. Now, what is this area? You will have this one here, half into here. If you see in this one, of 1 by 2 into base into height. This is GHT. This is height is your formula for area. Here 1 by 2 and into this is SD, this is small d, and into small d, right? So this equal to how much you will get? 1 by 2. If you observe this one, 1 by 2 here, 1 by 2 S D square. Here Here in this equation, if you increase this one size, see base here, you have to insert square. See, this is half plus d square. Now, if you see here, there are two triangles. This is B into D. Okay. See, in middle area, what you are having? See, plus. This is to understand clearly. B into D, right? Small d. Now plus again this of 1 by 2, that is st square. So this is equal to, you will get BD plus S D, see here, square. So in this way, to calculate this area, right? See, to calculate this area, to calculate this total area, right? See here, calculate total area. Now this is your embankment or banking. Okay, this is banking area. How to calculate? First you calculate triangle, this area plus rectangular area and this triangular area. See, total you will get how much here? BD plus ST square. This is area. Okay. See, understand carefully. If you understand this concept, is very easy to understand. Okay. See here, if you see here, see this total area is nothing but BD and this one. Now, to find the volume of road according to your length, see, generally your road will be like this, isn't it? See, if you see this is a trapezoid like this, if you see an isometric view, will have like this. Okay, length will be there. Okay, here your length will be there. So this area into length, you will get volume of, say, for 1 meter or 10 meters or 30 meters, volume, quantity of volume of earthwork. So in this way, same thing, if you see, same process for this your canal also. Here, if you see, this is BD. Okay, this is BD, right? Again, if you go for this one, see here, for this one, this is one triangle here to here, right? See, this is one triangle. You have to find out this area. Only this is, instead of height, it is depth D. So same formula. So this is again half of base into height, both. If you add this, you will get total same BD is D square of this total area. After knowing this area, if you want calculate this area, if you want to calculate this volume of the canal, again, this will be also like this. See. So observe carefully, and this is your, I want to calculate this value. Okay. So say this is 10 meter. So 10 meters of the, again, this is say your approximately, this is the shape of your trapezoidal. So to get volume, first we calculate this area and this length, say 10 meters into 10, area into 10, you will get volume. Okay. So in this way, we have to calculate the total length. Okay. So total volume of the canal or quantity of earthwork. So this is very important concept. That's why I've taken this much time. And see, if you see this one, you will understand in better way. Okay. See, so for road work and a canal, the concept is very important. First, you have to find the area of the section and multiplied by your length, you will get volume, quantity of road or canal. Either in banking or cutting, you are going to calculate earthwork. So there are many formulas to calculate volume of this canal or road, because this length surface, depth may be variation will be there as the earthwork is slope is variation. So for a required slope and uniform length, so we have different depth at various levels. For that we have different formulas that will discuss in coming next videos.